Hello, welcome. Episode number 3 of implicit differentiation. Here, if x squared plus y squared equals to 2pxy, where p is a constant, we have to find dy dx. So let's not waste time on this. Following our discussion from the first 2 episodes, we have to differentiate each of the term separately. So here, if I differentiate this, I'll be having 2x, 2 minus 1. So we have that. If you differentiate this, meaning we are bringing 2 out, y, 2 minus 1, give you 1. But you introduce dy dx because of the y equals to this is a product rule. Ignoring this, if I take away 2p, which are constant, away, these y and x are product. So we differentiate as a product rule. First of all, hold the x, then differentiate the y term. If you differentiate this, it gives you 1. Then 1 times x will still be x. But you have to introduce dy dx because of the y differentiation. Plus, now hold the y, then differentiate the first one, which will also give you what? 1. So that is the product rule. So you have 2 terms there. So now, let's expand here to give us 2x, 2y, dy dx equals to 2px. Then dy dx plus, this is only y. So you have 2py. Now, the second step is to group all the dy dx term on the left. So we are transposing this back to this place, meaning our 2y dy dx minus 2px dy dx will be equals to here 2py minus 2x. If you can check 2, 2, 2, we can divide through by 2. But let's keep moving. We have dy dx in 2 places. So we have to find differentiation, how to call it. So here we have to factorize the dy dx out. Okay, since I cannot put it here, let me just divide. So divide by 2. So if you divide both sides by 2, I'll be left with 2 gone here, all the 2 is gone. So I can now factorize my dy dx into bracket. I'll be left with y in the case of this because 2 is gone, minus divide all of this by dy dx. I'll be left with only px equals to py minus what? X. Remember, we divide by 2, so the 2 cancel out. So here we make dy dx the subject, meaning dividing both sides by the coefficient. So py minus x divided by y minus what? Px become the differential value for this expression. I guess you follow. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, and leave a comment below. Bye-bye.